Okay, what we're going to do here is looking at this trig function, try to find a good looking frame, then use our technique of framing to ungraph the function. That is to find an equation for it. Now just a reminder that what we're looking for here really is just A, B, C, and D over here. Now what I want is a good frame, so what I did is I plotted this point, this point, this point, and this point. I think that's the nicest frame I could get to look at, and you can see it right there. And I'm going to just start making little notes here until I can actually piece the whole thing together, but it shouldn't be much. I can see, for example, at the very bottom, no, I don't want to leave. At the very bottom, I want to write down bottom equals -2, top equals what looks like 26. So the average, which is the middle line, is going to be 26 minus 2 divided by 2. That's going to be 12. So that's not so bad. So you automatically know that A is 12. B, just a reminder, is the distance between the top and the middle. Well, the top is 26. The middle is 12, so the amplitude is just going to be 14. That's not so bad. Just a reminder that D is supposed to be the new left-hand side. Well, D, we can see right here, it's just 0, so that one's just not bad. I'm so happy about that. Now, in this little spot here, making sure I'm writing a note, I want the width of the frame. Now, the width of the frame, it looks like it's 0.3 something, but if you look at this, it goes once, twice, 3 times is exactly up to 1. So the width of the frame is exactly 1/3. So C, which is 2 times pi divided by 1/3, is actually going to be 6 pi, like that. I think that's right. So finally what I'm going to do is just write the equation down here and hope it doesn't give me a horrible, disgusting looking graph. So I'm going to write down y equals 12 plus 14 times the cosine of 6 times pi times x. Now, you can see that's almost right. The one we started with was brown, and it goes like this. The one we came up with is black, and it goes like this. Well, the only difference is that when I drew my frame actually started at the bottom of the cosine graph, not the top. So I need to go back over to my equation right here and change that plus into a minus, and we can see the equation we got exactly lines up with the graph.